Ginebra, nakakita natin, bumapantay sa kanya si Ranidel de Ocampo. Doug Kramer, maguhan to. Eric Mack, you've been in the business for almost 9 years now in the league. Too many moves for Doug Kramer. Too strong for Doug Kramer. And there, nagsitis ng free throw, nakakuha pa rin si Eric Mack. Right now, Air 21 has to find their bearings. They are looking for Menk here. Ball is withdrawn on Tubin with 12 to shoot. Tubin makes his move. Tubin off the glass. And Nico, it's not just Eric Mack. It's the whole Barangay Ginebra that are getting layups. They don't even have to shoot from the outside. Lahat ng tira nila sa quarter na to within the paint. That's a block. Alexander telling Gary David, where are you going? It's a 13-point Ginebra lead. And they're on a roll here in the third quarter. Menk, the man of the moment. Everybody on their feet. Menk against Doug Kramer. Menk fires. Not that time. Chris Alexander with an offensive rebound. Here's Jose Valenzuela. Lots of time to shoot for Ginebra. 18 to shoot. They go to Eric Menk. Everybody clears out. Menk makes his move. There's the spin and the foul. So right now, it's the Eric Menk show here in the third quarter. Napansin natin kanina, pinoste siya dun sa left side ng court. He doesn't like posting up on the left side of the court because he likes to use his left jump hook. Totally opposite of Chris Alexander. The difference between Alexander and Eric Menk likes to use a left jump hook, but he can swing back to the post. Sa linggo pa yun. Sa linggo pa yun ang MVP. Kayo naman, oh. Kasado kayo nagmamadali, eh. Ha? Ay, yung ba yun? Okay. Masyado silang na-excite. Nagandahan sila sa show. For a while there, I thought they were really honoring Eric Menk's performance. No. We all know what they were talking about. My MVP. But we said, when was the last, oh my God, when was the last time you heard, the crowd chant MVP for Eric Menk? It's just been a long time. Like you said, ever since 05, the career of Eric Menk has been in a downward spiral. Although very slow, it hit the lowest point in the conference elimination this year. At that time, a badly needed basket for Air 21 as Stephen Thomas scores his 13th point of the game. If you're Air 21, you're just happy that you get a call at the post because Ginebra has been attacking the post and they have not been able to stop Eric Menk at the post. Turn back time. Absolutely. Classic performance by Eric Menk. Trouble here for Ginebra. Chris Alexander meron ng 4 na personal fouls. And Thomas now with 15 points in the game. 10-point lead for Ginebra here in Game 7. 6:18 remaining in the third quarter. And speaking of trouble, ganyan nangyari sa Air 21 nung ulit. Si Stephen Thomas naman ang nagkaroon ng personal foul trouble. It's Valenzuela. Well, he just fished for a foul. Ito si Juti Valenzuela. Experience right there. He knew that KG Canaletto was going to try to go for the block. Well, of course, here in the third period, you can dangle that word experience because a lot of the gentlemen on the Ginebra side have been here before. Been in the finals before. Even guys like Paul Artari, they've been here before. But then, of course, you look at the Air 21 side of the basketball court. This is a team in their first time here. First time finalists in the PBA. Right, but when we look at guys like Paul Artari that have been there, they really did not play significant roles in those runs. Now they're really forced into that situation, and the difference is these guys, they took on that challenge, grabbed it by the horn, and really giving us a nice performance. Almost here with nowhere to go. 11-point Ginebra lead. Nagpaskalahati na tayo dito sa third period. Here's Alexander. Sending it to the right side. Artari with a fake. Artari crossover. Artari can't get the Ginger bounce. And turnover!
Well, Homer had nowhere to go. He had nowhere to go. And he had no business dribbling that ball with a crossover and, all the way in the free throw line of the other court.
You go right ahead and tell it.
No, but I'm just whispering it.
Be my guest.
Non-third ko yan.
And so, Tadi setting the table here for Ginebra. Alexander, underneath, block, and will stay with Ginebra.
Good idea though on the part of Paul Artadi. No one had their eye on Chris Alexander, got the ball up there. But good help defense on the part of Air 21.
11 to shoot for Ginebra. And so there's color developing between Ronald Tubid and Ranidel De Ocampo. And there's the offensive foul. It's against Alex Crisano. Third personal laban kay Crisano. Look at Marvin Cruz. Outside, Vamos. And now Ranidel for three. Vamos with an offensive rebound. Back to Ranidel De Ocampo. Here's Canaleta. Canaleta with a one-handed runner. Could have counted. Bagsak si Ronald Tubid. Courtesy of Ranidel De Ocampo.
So right now, this is a important period for Barangay Ginebra because they went to Eric Menk exclusively, maybe for the past 6 minutes. Now they have him on the bench. Now who do you go to on offense? Alam natin, wala si Mark Tadiwa. At this point, wala si Junti Valenzuela. So there's really no creator on the floor right now for Barangay Ginebra. At least now they get back Junti Valenzuela for Ronald Tubid. The real obvious go-to guy right now for Barangay Ginebra is Chris Alexander.
That's another rebound for Thomas Canaleta. No hesitation. No basket. Alexander hemmed in. Was able to extricate himself with under 5 minutes to go. Ginebra is holding on to a 10-point lead. 66-56. 12 to shoot. Pacana, handoff. Valenzuela. Junti inside. Crisano couldn't handle the ball. Last touch on Air 21.
And nothing better than Homer and Alex Crisano going for the loose ball.
That's a technical foul waiting to happen. Here's Junti Valenzuela against Homer C. Valenzuela, runner, no go. Here comes Homer C. Get the women and send it out of the way. Close your eyes. All the way down. Valenzuela, a steal by Marvin Cruz. Marvin Cruz steps on the brakes and fires away. Rebound from Pacana.
Air 21 right now is shooting themselves in the foot because this was an opening for them. They could have had a 4-0 run, a 5-0 run. Right now, Ginebra's lead still up at 10 and they're still in control.
Back inside the Big Dome. Championship capital of Philippine basketball. First elected commissioners row. Technical officials here. Siyempre kami po ay nagagalak na makasalo kayong lahat here in Game 7. At nagpas kalahati na tayo dito sa third quarter, and then we have one more quarter to go. Miko Halili kasama si Jason Webb, plus Mr. Bobby Barrero, part of the top brass of TV5. Also talked with us earlier and sharing the vision for TV5 and